Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming prerequisites, Git installed and Vscode available. Open a terminal and run Git version to verify. If missing, install Git for your OS. Once done, launch Vscode and enable the built-in Git extension in settings. Next, configure identity with git config global user. Name your name and git config global user. Email you at example.com so commits link to you. Make sure your SSH key or credential helper is ready. Now connect your code. Open Command Palette and choose Git. Clone if you need a remote copy, or simply open a local folder and run Git in it to start tracking. Once the folder is a repo, use the source control view to stage files, write commit messages, and inspect diffs. Click Changed Files to review hunks. If you prefer terminal, run git add and git commit m message. Vscode will detect changes and show branch status, letting you create, check out, and merge branches with a few clicks. Final steps: add a remote with git remote add origin URL and push with git push uorigin main, or use Vscode push/pull buttons to sync. Install git lens and git graph to visualize history, blame, and branches for faster context. Make sure signing, line endings, and git ignore are configured. If you encounter authentication errors, recheck SSH keys, Git credential manager, or personal access tokens. Restart Vscode and the SSH agent if required. One tip: run git status to quickly see what's blocking progress.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.